Okay, this is a really quick video focusing on the right torque socket size to change the oil plug. This is a 2014 Audi Q5 with a 2-liter engine. So again, 2014 Audi Q5 with the 2-liter engine, not the 3. So I've read there's some confusion on what is the right oil. The right size Torx nut to basically wrench to take off the oil plug. So if you take off, this is the panel underneath. You got to take this off first. It's real easy to get off. I don't know why Audi does this. A few car companies do this. There's two kinds of screws on that splash pan, splash guard. So there's this, and you'll see a few of these bigger ones in the back. You'll see they're both, the right torque wrench for this is T25, see T25 here? It fits both this, I'm trying to do this with one hand, that fits on there. And even this bigger one, it looks like you need a flathead screwdriver, but you don't. You can actually take the same T25 Torx wrench here, and it fits right on there as well. So you don't need two different wrenches to take off this splash guard that covers the oil drain plug. So let's go under here. I'm going to show you real quick. This is a can you see that? It says T45, Torx 45. And again, not every year BMW, not every engine size, but at least for this one, you get up under here, see that oil plug? And again, I don't know why Audi, most oil plugs you'll see in Japanese and American cars, there's like there's a metric or a standard nut you put a wrench on, but these guys go with the torque wrench. So that's fine. We'll just go with Torx here. And you can see that fits tight. That's a perfect, so again, this is a T45 torque. Not a Phillips, not a flathead, not metric, not standard, it's Torx. So that goes in there. And you'll get your handle, your ratchet, and you'll screw that out and drain your oil that way. And again, it's worth mentioning for safety reasons when you're under your car, got your jack. Please, folks, please use a jack stand. In addition, you can put it right here, see, right next to the jack here. Don't jack up your car with a hydraulic jack if you're underneath it. These can leak, it's just they're on wheels, they can leak a little bit of pressure. Just make sure to get the jack stand. Be safe when you're under your car. You don't want to die changing your oil. Okay, that's it. Good luck. This is a new car in my video series. I need to stop collecting cars. So anyway, this is the latest one. Thank you.